Hello, dear students. It is the continuation of Unit 4, and now we are doing some problems on Cauchy sequence. There is problem 2, and the problem is using Cauchy convergence criteria to prove that the sequence Sn is convergent where Sn is equal to n plus 1 upon n. You know the previous theorem. The Cauchy convergence criteria was a sequence is convergent if and only if it is Cauchy sequence. It means here you have to show that the sequence Sn is convergent. So we show it indirectly by showing that it is a Cauchy sequence. If it is a Cauchy sequence, then it will be convergent. Now, taking epsilon greater than 0, then for all n greater than equal to m, Sn minus Sm, this will be Sn is 1 plus 1 by n minus, what about Sm? Sm is 1 plus 1 by m, and it will be mod of 1 upon n minus 1 by m. Taking mn LCM, then we have n minus m is positive, it is also positive. There is no need of mod, and it can be written as n minus m upon n into 1 by m. And you know value of this term is always lies between 0 and 1 because n is greater than m and n is here. You can verify it is always lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, it can be written as less than equal to 1 by m. Now, you know m depends on epsilon, so we choose m such that m greater than 1 by epsilon. We choose this because of this 1 by m, because you can see here 1 by m is less than epsilon. It means this can be written as less than epsilon. Therefore, Sn minus Sm less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. And you know this is the definition of Cauchy sequence. Hence, the sequence is Cauchy sequence, and so Cauchy convergence criteria, it is convergent. Now there is problem 3. Using the Cauchy general principle, it is same as Cauchy convergence criteria. Both are same. Cauchy general principle to prove that the sequence Sn is not convergent where Sn is equal to this. You have to show here Sn is not convergent. It means you have to prove Sn is not Cauchy sequence. So we shall show that Sn is not Cauchy sequence. Choose m belongs to n such that n is equal to 2m. Then for n greater than m, we have Sn minus Sm. This is S2m minus Sm. The value of S2m will be, you replace n by 2m, so there will be 1 by 2m, and other terms 1 plus 1 upon m plus 1 upon m are there also, and minus Sm, it is same. After subtracting these, there will be 1 upon m plus 1, 1 upon m plus 2 plus 1 upon 2m. And you know 1 plus 1 upon m plus 1 is always greater than 1 upon 2m. Similarly, it is also greater than 1 upon 2m. So each term can be written as greater than 1 upon 2m. So and it will come here m times. So sum of these terms m times will be m into 1 by 2 upon 2m. and this will be 1 by 2. Now Sn minus Sm greater than 1 by 2 for all n greater than equal to m. But if we choose epsilon is equal to 1 by 2, then we do not have m belongs to n such that this less than epsilon, because for epsilon is equal to 1 by 2, this will be greater than epsilon. So it is not a Cauchy sequence. That is, it is not convergent. The problem 4, prove that the sequence Sn is Cauchy where Sn is equal to n square upon n square plus 1. It is you have to show it is Cauchy sequence. So taking epsilon greater than 0, then for n greater than equal to m, find the mode of Sn minus Sm, and this would be less than epsilon. Put all values and put the values of Sn and Sm from here, and after solving we have this result. It can be separated as n square upon this minus m square upon this, and it is also can be written as mode of this plus mode of this, and there is no need of mode because all the terms are positive. We have used this property here. Now you can take again, if we replace n square plus 1 by n square, then it will be less than. Also this symbol is maintained now. So similarly here we can write here m square only, then it will be less than equal to this. And after cancellation of n square and m square from here, we have the result 1 upon m square plus 1 plus 1 upon n square plus 1. Again it is less than 1 upon m square plus 1 upon n square. So it means if we put 1 by m square less than epsilon by 2, or from here you can find the value of m less than under root 2 upon epsilon. So let us choose m0 greater than under root 2 upon epsilon. This is positive integer. Because the definition of Cauchy sequence is we take always mn greater than equal to m0, then sm minus sn should be less than epsilon. So you know 1 by m square is less than epsilon by 2, and both m and n greater than equal to m0. Therefore this is true. This is true for m, and this is also true for n. It means 1 upon n square less than epsilon by 2 also. So here this is also epsilon by 2, this is also epsilon by 2, and finally we have here Sn minus Sm mode less than epsilon for all mn greater than equal to m0. So by the definition of Cauchy sequence, the sequence Sn is Cauchy sequence. Thank you, students.